let's cut and sew a short kimono or bubu dress.
So this is the fabric I'm going to be using for the high-low, and I just placed on fold just as you can see, making sure that the back of the fabric is longer than the front. So the width of the fabric is 30 inches wide, and then the length of the front is 42 inches, while the length of the back is 63 inches. So coming to where I made the fold, I made a little notch, as you can see, to guide me, so I know that that's the shoulder line, because I won't be having a seam running on this shoulder. So I'm just going to go on the cutting table now and cut out the neck hole at the center of the fabric. So this is the fold, like I said, and the shorter side is the front and the longer side is the back. So I'm going to fold into 4, just like so. Side facing upward here is the front, while down here is the back. So I'll place on 4, and then I'll make my neckline. So I'm going to mark 4.5 inches. So that when we sew our bias around the neck, the other 0.5 would be used up, which will bring the neck to 5 inches in width. While in length, I want the front length to be 4 inches and the back length 1 inch. So what I would do is I would first mark 1 inch, which is supposed to be the back neck hole length. That's 1 inch there. Then I'll make a curve. Okay, now using my scissors, I'm going to cut 1 inch, bringing it to the 4.5 mark. So when I open this up, this is how it looks. Okay, raise your hands a bit higher. All right, this is how it looks. So remember, the back is the longer side and this is the back. Right, so now I'm going to come to the front, turn it over to the front. I want the neckline of the front to be 5 inches, remember. So I'm going to be lowering the neckline in front to 5 inches. So to do this, I'll just bring this shoulder to this shoulder in a fold. Okay, such that this fold here is the center front. All right, so this fold here is the center front, the corner here is the shoulder, and the neckline here you see going there is the back neckline. All right, so I'm going to lower the front neckline by, remember we took off 1 inch already, so I'll place my 1 inch mark of the tape there at the edge of the neck, and I want the front to be lowered by 5 inches. So I'm going to be marking by 4 inches, I beg your pardon. So I'm going to be marking 3.5, bearing in mind that I need 0.5 inch allowance to pipe the neck. Then from there I'll make a curve, bringing it to the neck, the shoulder line, just like so. Then using my scissors, I'll cut it. So I had to put it on the mannequin so that you can see what's going on here. This is the front, that's the neck that we've taken off. Now coming to the back, you can see that the back is higher. Okay, the neckline at the back is higher because we went down from the shoulder line by 1 inch, while at the front we went down by 4.5, but after piping we'll bring this to 3.5. After piping we'll bring it to 4. Okay, so standing from afar you can see that the back is longer than the front. So what we're going to do next, we're going to leave up some space that would form the sleeve or the armhole, and then we are going to close up the side. We are going to leave about, we're going to head up to close the sides. And see, we have joined the side seam. All right.
We'll then make a strap or a strip of fabric, which is going to be about 2 inches in width, placing it there at the center front from the neck running down. After which, we're also going to place 2 inches fabric strap around the armhole. Then we are going to pipe the neckline using the same fabric round the neck.
So right here is our armhole. So I'm going to go down now to the seam. That's the seam there, the side seam. So I'm going to begin from there to pin the 2 inches strip of fabric. I hope you noticed that this fabric was placed on fold while marking out the 2 inches. So I'm going to be taking the 2 inches strap around my armhole using pins to hold it in place. I'll pin it all the way around, coming back to where I started out from. Getting to the end of the armhole, I'll just use my scissors and cut off the excess fabric. So I'm checking it out. This is how it will look. So turning inside, this is where we're going to sew 0.5 inch round. We'll repeat the same thing to the other sleeve. So we're done joining the strap and we got to the side seam where the straps would be ending. So as you can see, I've brought them together like so, and I'll make sure the edges align, and then I would sew up right where it meets the side seam of the dress. So the side seam is continuous from the strap down to the dress.
So in the vein of being creative, I thought to do something like this instead. This is a 4 inches width of fabric which I'm going to be using to make a patch, and then I kept the 4.5 inches space and then continued the patch downwards. I won't call this a placket, you know, this is a patch. So I'm going to be coming to the sides, and I'm going to fold it in like so and match down. After which I would come to the neckline and pipe it using the same fabric of the dress round.
So we have pinned the patch down in place, as you can see. So notice the fold we made there. That's to neaten the edge as we lay it down and match, stitching the patch and the fabric together. The space between the two patch, the pink patch fabrics, there is 4.5 inches. So we're going to go to the sewing machine now, and we're going to match this down close to the fold using a matching thread. After which we'll pipe the neck. If you've watched this video up to this point, please give me a thumbs up. Now, I would want to say subscribe to this channel, but even if you don't want to subscribe, please just give me a thumbs up. Like this video, that would make me happy. Thank you. God bless you. Once that was done, I gave my dress a neat press and it was ready. So on second thought, I decided to put an inseam pocket in this dress because, man, it just cannot go without the pocket. Alright, so tell me in the description box if you would want to know how to make an inseam pocket, and I'll make a tutorial. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.